Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the another chemical reactions of the primary amines, chemistry second year English medium. Today we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of the amines. That is the first one, carbylamine reaction. That is also known as a phenyl isocyanate test. It is also called as a phenyl isocyanate test or carbylamine. Write the carbylamine or phenyl isocyanate test antundu. Then here is the discuss about the carbylamine reaction or phenyl isocyanate test. Here is the R bond NH2. It is also known as a aliphatic primary amine. Aliphatic or aromatic primary amines react or treated with the chloroform and ethanolic potassium hydroxide. Then here is the form of alkyl isocyanides. Alkyl isocyanides or phenyl isocyanate test. This is also known as a carbylamine reaction. This is also known as a carbylamine reaction. Here is the carbylamine reactions means that the aliphatic primary amines. Aliphatic means that the are also known as a aliphatic. R is write that any methyl group, that is also known as a aliphatic primary amine. Aliphatic primary amine combining or treated with the chloroform CHCl3, also known as a chloroform. Chloroform formula CHCl3. Here is the aliphatic primary amines treated with the chloroform and ethanolic potassium hydroxide, then give with the aliphatic isocyanides. Aliphatic isocyanate, that is also known as a carbylamine reaction or phenyl isocyanate test. Here is the aliphatic reaction. Next another one is the aromatic reaction. Here is the benzene C6H5, that is also known as a benzene combining with the amines, that is also known as a aromatic amine. Aromatic amine treated with the chloroform or alcoholic potassium hydroxide, then form of the phenyl isocyanides or benzene isocyanide to give with the benzene isocyanide C6H5 bond NC and removal of the potassium chloride and H2O. Those two reactions also known as a carbylamine reaction. Carbylamine reaction. Here is the aliphatic or aromatic primary amines. Two compounds also known as a primary amines. Here is the primary amines means that the only amine group bonding with the only one carbon atom. That is also known as a primary amine. Aliphatic or aromatic primary amines treated with the chloroform and ethanolic potassium hydroxide, then form of aliphatic isocyanate or aromatic isocyanate, then it is also called as a carbylamine reaction. Next another one, fifth one is the reaction with the nitrous acid. SNO2 also known as a nitrous acid. Here is the amines, aliphatic amines or aromatic amines treating with the nitrous acid in the presence of sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acid, then form of aliphatic diazonium salt. Aliphatic diazonium salt. Here is the aromatic amines treating with the nitrous acid in the presence of the sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acid at a low temperature 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, then form of benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Then here is the liberated with the NCl, sodium chloride and water molecule. Here is the form of alcohols, aliphatic alcohol. Then liberated with the nitrogen gas, that is also known as a reaction with the nitrous acid. Aliphatic or aromatic primary amines. Aliphatic or aromatic. Here is the benzene bonding with the NH2, that is also known as aromatic amines. R bond NH2 also known as a aliphatic amine. Aliphatic or aromatic primary amines are treating with the nitrous acid at a low temperature, then form of diazonium salt. Aliphatic diazonium salt or aromatic diazonium salt. Then when it is dissolved or combining with the water molecule, then form of aliphatic alcohol and liberated with the nitrogen gas. That is the reaction of the nitrous acids. Next another one, reaction with aryl sulfonyl chloride. Aryl sulfonyl chloride also known as a benzyl sulfonyl chloride. C6H5 SO2Cl, it is also known as the benzene sulfonyl chloride. C6H5 SO2Cl, it is also known as a benzene sulfonyl chloride. It is also known as a Hinsberg reagent. Hinsberg means that is also known as a scientist name. C6H5SO2Cl, that is also known as a Hinsberg reagent or benzene diazonium chloride or aryl sulfonyl chloride, that is also known as a Hinsberg reagent. Here is the benzene sulfonyl chloride treating with the primary amines or secondary amines. Primary amines and secondary amines, that is also known as a reaction with aryl sulfonyl chloride. Here is the first one, benzene sulfonyl chloride, or it is also called as a aryl sulfonyl chloride treating with the ethylamine, that is also known as a primary amine. Ethylamine, then here is the form of N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide. N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide, that is also known as a primary amine. Next one, benzene sulfonyl chloride treating with the secondary amine. Here is the N bond C2H5, N bond C2H5, but here is the N bond C2H5 bond NH. But here is the nitrogen bonding with the only one function group of ethyl remaining hydrogen atom, that is also known as a primary amine. Here is the benzene sulfonyl chloride, above the reaction treated with the only primary amine, but here is the secondary reaction, benzene sulfonyl chloride treating with the secondary amines. The center of nitrogen atom bonding with the two ethyl group, that is also known as a secondary amines. Here is the benzene sulfonyl chloride or aryl sulfonyl chloride treating with the secondary amine, then form of N, N. Here is the N bond N. N, N diethyl. Here is the N, N diethyl benzene sulfonamide, that is also known as a reaction of the aryl sulfonyl chlorides or benzene sulfonyl chlorides, that is the chemical reactions of the primary amines or amines. Next, another one, electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions of the first one is the bromination reaction and the second one is the nitration reaction. Here is the first one is the aliphatic amine, that is also known as a aniline. Aromatic aniline. Aromatic primary amine. Aromatic primary amines means that the amine NH2 functional group bonding with the only single carbon atom, that is also known as a primary amines. Here is the primary amines bonding with the only one phenyl groups or benzene group, that is also known as a aromatic primary amine. Aromatic primary amines treated with the bromine water, Br2 and H2O, bromine water, then form of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atom in this compound. Here is the aromatic primary amines treating with the bromine water at low temperature. Then here is the form of 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6 tribromoaniline and liberated with the hydrobromic acid, that is also known as a bromination reaction. Aromatic primary amines. Aromatic primary amines are treating or combining with the bromine water at low temperature. Then here is the form of 2, 4, 6 tribromoaniline. 2, 4, 6 tribromoaniline. In these reactions, form of the one step at the direct step, then form of the ortho position and meta position and para positions of the bromoaniline. That is, here is the substituted with the mechanism of orthobromoaniline or parabromoaniline or metabromoaniline. For example, here is the first one, aniline. Here is the aniline. That is also known as a primary amine. Due to the only amine function group bonding with the one single carbon atom, that is also known as a aromatic primary amine. Aromatic primary amines are treated with the acetic anhydride CH3CO taken to O and pyridine. Here is the aromatic primary amines are treated with the acetic anhydride, then form of NH. Here is the NHCOCH3 and bonding with the benzene. That is also known as a acetonylide. Here is the aromatic primary amines are treated with the acetic anhydride and pyridine. Then form of the acetonylide. Then removal of the acetic acid CH3COOH. Then when it is treated with the bromine, and acetic acid, then form of the para-bromo. Here is also known as the opposite position. Here is the para position. Here is the meta position. Here is the ortho position. Ortho, meta, para. Here is the acetonylide are treated with the bromine and acetic acid. Then here is the form of para-bromoacetonylide. It is also known as a para-bromoacetonylide. Para-bromoacetonylide are treating with the H plus acid or base OH minus. Then here is the form of, here is the removal of COCH3. Here is the H plus acetic acid, the removal of acetic acid. Then here is the form of para-bromoaniline or 4-bromoaniline. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the 4th position of bromine atom bonding with the, that is also known as a para-bromo or 4-bromoaniline or para-bromoaniline. That is also known as a electrophilic substitution reaction of the bromination reaction. Next, another one, nitration reaction. Here is the aromatic primary amines react with the nitric acid in the presence of HNO3 and sulfuric acid at high temperature 288 kelvins. Then form of para-nitroaniline and meta-nitroaniline and ortho-nitroaniline. Here is the nitration reaction. Primary aromatic amines react with or combining with the nitric acid. That is the mixture of nitration reaction. The nitration mixture consists of the HNO3 and H2SO4. It is also known as a nitration mixture. Then here is the form of 51% of para-nitroaniline, 47% of meta-nitroaniline and 2% of the ortho-nitroaniline. That is also known as a nitration reaction. This mechanism, here is the aromatic primary amines. A reactor treated with the acetic anhydride in the presence of the pyridine, then form of acetonylide. Benzene bonding with the NHCOCH3. That is also known as a acetonylide. When it is treated with the nitration mixture, that is also known as a nitric acid and sulfuric acid nitration mixture to form of para-nitroacetonylide. Para-nitroacetonylide. When it is treated with the acid or base, then form of para-nitroaniline. That is also known as a major compound of 51% of para-nitro position. Here is the electrophilic substitution reactions is continued at para position and meta position of high percentage. That is the 51% of the para position and 47% of the meta position. That is the electrophilic substitution reactions of the anilines. And the second one is the diazonium salt. Here is the nitrogen organic compound containing the nitrogen atom. That is the nitrogen atom consists of the 4 compound. That is also first one is the amines and the second one is the diazonium salt and third one is the cyanides and fourth one is the isocyanide. Here is the first compound is the amines. Here is the NH2 also known as a amine. Here is the amines preparation, remaining another one chemical properties. Next one is the electrophilic substitution reactions and mechanisms of the amines. So here is the first amine function group is the close and the second one is the diazonium salt. Second one is the diazonium salt. Second one is the diazonium salt. First one is the amines and the second one is the diazonium salt. The third one is the cyanides and the fourth one is the isocyanide. Organic compound containing the nitrogen atom, that is the nitrogen function groups or carbon bonding with the nitrogen atoms are 4 functions group. That is the first one amine and the second one is the diazonium salt. Here is the diazonium salts are nitrogenous organic compound. Here is the diazonium salts are nitrogenous organic compound. That is the general formula R bond N2 plus X minus. That is also known as a general formula of the diazonium salt. Diazonium salt. Here is the diazonium salts are the nitrogenous organic compound. Here is the general formula of the diazonium salt is the R bond N2 plus X minus. Here is the R also known as a aryl groups. That is also known as a benzene group. Here is the aryl group or benzene group. That is also known as a aryl group. Here is the X minus halogens Br minus Cl minus BF3 minus HSO4 minus. Here is the R also known as a aryl group, not only aliphatic function group. It is also known as a aromatic function group. That here is the N2 plus, that is also known as a nitrogenous. Plus next remaining X minus, here is the X plus is the X minus Br minus Cl minus BF3 BF4, next one HSO4 minus ion. That is also known as a diazonium salts. They are named according to the name of parent hydrocarbon atom. That is the diazonium salt is the name of the parent hydrocarbon atom from which they are formed by the suffix of diazonium. That is also known as a suffix of the diazonium and the name of an ion. That is also known as a diazonium salt. Here they are name of the according to the name of parent hydrocarbon atom which is they form after by the suffix, that is also known as a suffix of diazonium. N2 plus also known as a diazonium and name of an ion. That is also known as a, they are named according to the name of parent hydrocarbon atom. That here is the parent hydrocarbon atom. Next one, from which they are formed by the diazonium, suffix of the diazonium and name of anion. That is the diazonium salt or the nitrogenous organic compound. That is the general formula of R bond N2 plus and X minus ion. Are also known as a aryl groups or benzyl group. Benzyl group also known as a aryl group. That is also known as a benzyl or aryl group. Anion position here is the Cl minus, Br minus, BF4 minus, HSO4 minus, etc. Here is the name of parent hydrocarbon atom according to the name of the which is formed by the suffix of the diazonium, like that the diazonium and name of anions. For example, here is the C6H5 bond N2 plus HSO4 minus ion. Benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. Benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate ion. Next one, benzene diazonium chloride. That is also known as a diazonium salts. Here is the two compounds also known as a diazonium salt. First one is the benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. Next one, second one is the benzene diazonium chloride. That is also known as a nitrogenous organic compounds, like that benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate, benzene diazonium chloride. Here is the preparation of the first preparation of diazonium salt. Diazonium salt. Here is the aliphatic. Here is the aromatic primary amines. Here is the aromatic primary amines or aniline are treated with the nitrous acid or sodium nitrate or hydrochloric acid at a low temperature, then form of benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride, that is the preparation of the diazonium salt. Aromatic primary amines or aliphatic primary amines treated with the nitrous acid, that is also known as a mixture of sodium nitrate plus hydrochloric acid. Two mixtures also called as a nitrous acid at a low temperature, then form of benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride, that is the preparation of only one single preparation of the diazonium salt. Here is the first one, aromatic primary amine or aniline. Aromatic primary amine or aniline treated with the nitrous acid. Nitrous acid or sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acid. Two mixtures also called as a nitrous acid. aniline or aromatic primary amines treated with the nitrous acid at low temperature then form of benzene diazonium chloride. That is the preparation of the diazonium salt. Next one is the chemical properties of diazonium salt. Next class is the discuss about the chemical properties of the diazonium salt. Here is the only one preparation of the diazonium salt. It is also known as a diazotization reaction. Write the reaction of the diazotization reaction or diazonium salt. Preparation of write the preparation of the benzene diazonium chloride or diazonium salt. Here is like that. First one is the aromatic primary amine or aniline treated with the nitrous acid in the presence of at low temperature then form of benzene diazonium chloride or diazonium salt. This reaction is also known as a diazotization. Diazotization. What is the diazotization? Diazotization means that here is the preparation of diazonium salts. Like that, aromatic primary amine or aniline treated with the nitrous acid at a low temperature then form of benzene diazonium chloride. That is also known as a diazotization. This reaction is also called as a diazotization reaction.